you may be familiar with how your metabolism works. At its core, metabolism is simply your body using fuel, like food, to create the building blocks it needs and generate the energy required to run cellular processes. Of course, a lot more goes into metabolism. For starters, there are two types of metabolic reactions, anabolic and catabolic. But let's focus on aging for a minute. Nearly everyone can think of two people who are the same age but appear entirely different ages. Maybe you know someone who looks years younger than the number of candles on their birthday cake, or someone who looks far older than others in their age. Different people can appear at different ages on a cellular level too. It's known as biological age. Biological age is a measure of how young your cells appear to be, based on how healthy they are or how they function and behave. Just like how outward appearance doesn't always represent a person's numerical age, cellular health doesn't always line up with someone's numerical age. Most of us are familiar with the idea that lifestyle choices affect physical appearance. While genetic factors are always at play, we understand that things like smoking, drinking, excessive sun exposure, imbalanced diet, lack of exercise, sleep deprivation, stress, and more can contribute to early aging. The same thing is true of biological age. Even considering genetic factors, your lifestyle choices make a big difference. The same things we know make us look old on the outside make cells act old on the inside. What do metabolism and aging have to do with one another? Think about the way a car engine burns gasoline for fuel. The process generates kinetic energy, movement, but it also has a byproduct, exhaust. As your body does its job, creating and using energy, it also creates a byproduct, a type of exhaust, free radicals. Free radicals are generated during the metabolic processes. Free radicals have some purposes, but a buildup of them can cause oxidative damage, which ages your cells. Antioxidants fight free radicals and help prevent oxidative stress, which is part of why eating fruits and veggies, especially antioxidant-rich ones, is so important. While most people think metabolism is something affected by aging, and that's partially true, the reality is metabolism affects healthy aging. A healthy body that's functioning efficiently at the cellular level provides your organ systems with optimal amounts of energy, and this process can be sustained by making healthy life choices. Your cells can act younger if you pay close attention to how your metabolism and how your body uses energy. However, the opposite is also true. If you make unhealthy or even suboptimal lifestyle choices, your cells and body systems will experience loss of function that builds and builds over the years until you experience challenges directly related to your metabolism and lifestyle choices. Like the engine metaphor, an old, clunky, gunky engine that's been neglected doesn't burn gas as efficiently as an engine that's kept in good condition, with regular tune-ups and oil changes. Of course, each of us is impacted by genetics. Some people have genetic factors that make their lives and health journeys far more difficult than others. That's just reality. However, lifestyle choices do make a difference. That's also reality. Regardless of your genetic situation, the healthy choices you make can improve your quality of life, while unhealthy choices will make things worse. The place to start is with a nutrient-rich, balanced diet, adequate exercise, and deep restorative sleep. One of the most beautiful things about health and wellness is how working on one area of health improves other areas at the same time. Wellness is truly interconnected. For example, the same diet that's rich in antioxidants needed to fight free radicals and prevent oxidative stress is also likely to be good for your glucose metabolism and general health, because many antioxidant-rich foods are fruits and vegetables that are filled with additional nutrients and fiber. In the coming modules, we'll discuss how MetaPWR products can optimize the positive effects of your healthy choices. Many of the natural ingredients included in MetaPWR products were specifically chosen for their ability to optimize metabolic efficiency, so fewer free radicals are generated.